Welcome back to another show to help you grow your nutrition coaching business. Today, I will walk you through the steps it takes to build and scale a nutrition coaching business so that you stop feeling overworked. This is critical to understand because the sales, marketing, and client management processes that work for your first 5 clients will break down when you scale to 10. The processes that work at 10 clients will break down when you hit 20. The processes for 20 clients will break down when you hit 40. In my experience, every 5 to 10 new one-on-one clients you gain increases the likelihood that your systems will break. But if you set up your business to scale from day one, you will be just as effective at managing 5 clients as 50. The first major problem I see all nutrition coaches facing when growing their business is getting their first 5 paying clients. That's why I put my top strategies to quickly get your first 5 clients front and center in the Build mentorship for nutrition coaches. Your first 5 paying clients are so critical for a few key reasons. Before you hit the 5 client mark, you might spend an insane amount of time over delivering to your clients. Since you're only working with a few people, they're the most important thing in your world. So you're likely to over-communicate, which can actually turn them off and lead to bad results. Most people think they're busy and don't have time to read long emails or texts from you every day. Plus, clients need to struggle a little bit to grow. You can't coddle them. You'll also overwork yourself for very little or no pay if you aren't charging for your first clients, which is a mistake. But when you hit the 5 client mark, there are some key things that change. First is your confidence. Next, I've found that for new coaches, about 30% of your clients will not follow through with your program, despite your best efforts. But about 20% of your clients will get results worth sharing. And then the remainder will fall somewhere between low compliance with average results and high compliance with good results. This means out of 5 paying clients, chances are 1 will be an all-star with a transformation story that will help you sell more coaching. And they'll be a major potential referral source. With less than 5 clients, there is less than 1 in 5 chance that you're working with an all-star. And from there, if you charge the right price for your coaching, 5 clients means you'll have a healthy side income. And last but not least, with 5 clients, you will just start to feel the pressure of any sloppy systems you have or poor organization with clients. You'll either be overworked and wondering how you can possibly scale past 5 clients, or it means you will have to revamp your business systems and client organization tactics. So getting your first 5 clients will set you up to create a sustainable business. It will validate that this is a venture worth your energy, and you can build confidence that you can make this your full-time gig one day, and you will be able to sort out your business systems. From here, the next level is when you hit 10 clients. When you hit 10 clients, that could be 2 times the workload, but you'll also have some assets on your side which will help you scale. At this point, you will have your first round of transformation stories. Social proof for the win. You'll have client referral sources and possibly even local businesses that can refer as well. And you'll have stress tested your coaching processes, so now you have a better idea about how to provide a high-value coaching experience that gets your clients results. But you probably still have your other job and you're not sure how to make the leap to coaching full-time. You're already overworked, but not making enough money yet to sacrifice your reliable income. And even though you're more confident, you still question yourself and your abilities. You might be afraid to raise your prices, and you're still struggling a bit with sales and marketing. So let's talk about some of these obstacles. If you're still working a full or part-time job somewhere else to pay the bills, you're in a catch-22 position. You have more clients, which means more time spent on check-ins. Your admin workload is gonna swell, which means marketing and sales suffer. And chances are your business is gonna contract if you don't continue working on finding new clients, especially because at this point, you've probably come close to tapping out the potential of your personal network and audience. To grow from here takes a bit more effort in marketing and sales. So do you quit your full-time gig for this new venture and go all in? Do you overwork yourself, burning the candle at both ends to support your clients and market yourself? Or do you just pray that things change without action? How about none of these? At this point, you should have teased out some of the most frequently asked questions from your clients. You should know what administrative tasks take the most of your time. And you should start seeing which marketing channels are getting a response. This is the point where you can start to systematize and automate your business more effectively so you can still deliver value to your clients and audience without doubling your workload. Your lack of time can be an asset and means that you have to stop ineffective marketing and focus on what's working. At 10 one-on-one clients, this is the point where your business is at a critical place. It either contracts and overwhelms you to the point where it's a permanent side hustle, or this is a growth point where your business feels easy to run, leads flow in reliably, and you start seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. Quitting or reducing your hours at your other job and making nutrition coaching your full-time gig is so close you can taste it. And by the time you hit 20 clients, that's when you have to make the decision. Are you all in? Or are you just happy and comfortable here? Because this is where you need to leave your other job. This is where you need to leave your comfort zone. You need to build your sales and marketing chops. You need to invest time and money into growing your business. You have to expand outside of your local community and figure out how to attract and convert clients who don't already know you. You have to consistently create content with the right message, start conversations with your ideal clients, and most importantly, you need to continually audit and improve your client experience. Because there are millions of nutrition coaches now. Over 100,000 people have the Precision Nutrition Level 1 certification alone, and PN is not slowing down. In my opinion, every single coach who is doing this as a side hustle or who isn't continuing to educate themselves about how to run a business and differentiate themselves in a crowded market is either A, going to be replaced by artificial intelligence, or B, be outsold by a more experienced coach who has invested more time and money into growing themselves as a coach and business owner. I've created a massive free training about how to attract clients at every stage of your journey as a coach. It really gets into the weeds, so you can download that in the description below and leave a comment letting me know how many clients are you working with right now and how many do you want to work with. While you're down there, make sure to like this video if it challenged you and subscribe to the channel to get more videos about how to grow your nutrition coaching business more profitably and serve your clients more effectively. Till next time, keep shining.